So I got this B&M short throw shifter for my 5-speed 4runner. I'm going to get it warmed up and moved over near the garage where my tools are, and then we'll open it up and see what it's all about. It looks pretty straightforward. So this is the shifter itself. And it comes with directions. Seems pretty straightforward. You gotta take the shift knob off the old shifter, 4 screws, take this cover off, and then you have access to the bolts that hold the shifter in. So I'll check back in when I get to that point. Okay, so I got both shift knobs removed, and then it was 2 screws here and here. And now, actually, because I had the cup holder, this is an aftermarket 3D printed cup holder they sell on eBay, because the cup holders in these 4runners block all your heating. But that had a couple screws in it, so I did have to take those out too. But now we'll pull this out of here and keep going. So now that I've got that off, it looks like 4 Phillips heads to get this cover off, which holds the boots on. So we'll take that out. So now I've got that boot off, and you've got access to the 4 bolts that hold the original shifter in. So I'll pop those 4 bolts off and check back in. These bolts are a 12 mil, and you're probably going to need a swivel for those 2 front ones. So there's the old one out. Seems pretty straightforward. Drop the new one down in. So got the new one down in. The bolts all line right up. I'm going to put them back in and button all this back up, and then I'll get back with you. It's all bolted in. It's definitely way shorter. Get it all put back together and go for a ride. Getting those 4 screws back in and all of this lined up was by far the hardest part so far. Alright, so I got it all put together. It feels much shorter. Goes into reverse. Let's see if I can drive a manual and video the manual. So, be right back. I got a long driveway. Oh yeah, that's way quicker. It says it removes 35% of the throw, and I believe it. Much quicker. All right, highly recommend B&M. They're like $300 on eBay. Peace out.